Hello and welcome to using slope ratios with the trig table. Me and my friends here are going to try to help you guys understand a little bit about using slope ratios. Every slope angle has a slope ratio, and we start every problem by saying that the slope ratio of a particular angle is equal to change in y over change in x. So something like this. We have this angle, so we would like to know the slope ratio that 70 degrees has, and that is equal to change in y over change in x. For this problem, the change in y is this part here, that's y. The change in x is this part here, that's 20. And the slope ratio of 70 degrees I have to find. So I'm going to go here onto my Desmo site and see when the angle is 70 degrees, right about there. The number is 2.747, so that is 2.747. Now, to get y by itself, it's being divided by 20, so let's multiply by 20 on both sides. I need a calculator friend here to go 2.747 times 20.
54.94.
54.94, so that is what this amount is here for y. Next problem, a little bit different because the 72 is up here. So I could think about it, I could twist the whole thing if I wanted to, or I could calculate, figure out the complement, what plus 72 equals 90, and I think that is 18 degrees. Yeah? So we know that the slope ratio of 18 degrees is equal to change in y over change in x. The change in y is y, the change in x is 15, and my slope ratio of 18 degrees I need to find. So I'll just go here and look 18 degrees, there it is, 0.3249. 0.3249. Y is being divided by 15, so if I just multiply on both sides by 15, this cancels and gives me y equals
4.87.
4.87. And we'll make this approximately because it's not exact. So this is what to do when you have a missing side. Down here I have a missing angle, but the same equation works. The slope ratio of whatever this theta angle is, which I don't know what it is yet, but its slope ratio is equal to change in y, change in y over change in x. We all make mistakes. So this is going to be 10 over 7, that's my change in y over change in x, equals the slope ratio of theta. So really what I'm asking is, what angle has a slope ratio of this? Can I make this into a decimal?
1.42.
1.42. So I'm looking for what angle has a slope ratio of 1.42. And if I go here, I'm going to look at where's the angle that gives me 1.42. And that is, right side, there it is, 55 degrees. So that tells me that the angle that I'm trying to find, this theta, is 55 degrees. Because that's the angle that has a slope ratio of 1.42. Okay, now I'm going to call a friend to come in and try to show you the next problem. Here we go, problem A.
Okay, so we have y over 10 equals 2.747.
Okay, wait, how do we get the 2.747?
Because this angle is 70.
Okay, maybe
And
Ryan could show us on the, if you put the marker down, Ryan will show us the, it's okay. So 70 degrees, there it was, yep, good. And so where's the, yeah, there's the 7.247, good. All right, so that's where that number is coming from. So now how can we find y?
Well, we know this angle is 20. And
Multiply it by 10.
Good.
And it cancels out.
Okay? We have to multiply it on the other side too, right?
Yeah. So you
Equals y. Good. Beautiful. Very good. Okay? Problem B.
Should I just erase this?
If you want to, it's fine. We're a lot better at math than we are racing.
Alright, so we get y, change over y, over, change over x, and that's 50 over 6 equals
8.33.
8.33, and the closest to that is...
So that's the slope ratio of this angle, right?
Yeah.
So there you go. Let's look for 8.33 as close as we can get it. Almost up. We're looking at the bottom number. There it is. That's close enough. That's close enough. So that's about 83 degrees is what it's looking like. Good? Good. All right, next problem. You can erase their things.
I can try.
Ooh,
I can erase. So, we have our change of y over change in x, and
Can we put the deltas on there so it...
yeah, I'm good at drawing triangles. So this is our y, and that's 10 over 1. What's 10 divided by 1?
10.
Wow! Okay, so we're gonna go to the tool and look for the number 10 down here. We can find our angle. Okay. Can we just type it?
You can.
Where?
It's probably going to be, well, it's probably not, we got to get rid of this. This is probably not problem.
Okay. Yay!
All right. So,
We're looking for the number 10.
Looking for the
Down-
number 10.
down there.
I think 9 point, that's as close as it's going
That's
to get.
really close. So, that means we have 84 degrees as our theta.
Very good. All right, good. D.
Okay, so since it's okay, what you would do is you would have
Slope ratio.
slope ratio. You do 20 over x because that's what
Good.
you do, and then
Slope ratio of 8 degrees. And that's what we're going to figure out. Oh, okay. Now, how'd you get the 0.14?
because to do that you have to the 8-degree part.
Yeah, can you show me?
Because 8 degrees is 0.14.
Yeah. So if you put this down for just a second. Good. Yeah, see here? Can you show me where the 8 degrees? The angle is 8? Yeah. Great, right there. And here's the 0.14. Excellent. Okay, so now what do you do to solve it?
So then you multiply it, so it'll be 20 equals 0.14x,
Okay, you multiply by x on both sides. That's
Yeah.
good.
and then you divide it both by 0.14 on both sides.
Good.
And so x equals
142.8.
142.
Okay. Excellent. Good job. Now this one's a little bit weird because we've got 0. We can't have a triangle that goes up 0. It's like this angle that's just doesn't go up at all. So if it doesn't go up at all, this angle in here is 0 degrees. So 0 degrees has a ratio of 0 divided by 14, which is 0. Next one.
Okay, we have an angle of 89 degrees. So we would do change the y over change the x. So we y over 2 equals
Slope ratio of 89 degrees.
slope ratio of
You can write that out. You can just write that out.
We'll go here.
Put the pen down for the.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Yeah.
And it's 57.28.
Good.
So it equals 57.28.
All right. Now we just got to figure out why.
We multiply 2 each side.
It's okay.
2 cancel out.
Good.
So y, and then multiply by 2.
Okay, 14. 5,
114.56. Thank you. Last one is also a little bit weird. What would the 90 degrees be on here? Well, you can't actually have, this wouldn't be 90. This 90 degrees would be coming up like this. So 90-degree angle, you can't ever have the change in y over change in x. This is just not possible. So if you see 90 degrees and you're wondering, what's the slope ratio of 90 degrees? You're not going to find one. It's not possible. Have a great day.